Alright guys, we're back, and today we got our bumpers back. So this is the rear bumper. It's been painted, it looks awesome. And then I got the front one in the back of the truck. So today we're going to put these back on the Z, and hopefully it won't take too long. Okay, this is done. It's on, went on pretty well, and it looks amazing. It's like a brand new car. So we got the front one on. We'll do the back one probably in the morning because I got other stuff going on, and then this car will be ready to go. All right guys, it's the next morning. We're going to clean these up, put these back in the rear bumper, and then actually what we'll do is we'll test and make sure that the turn signals still work before we put them back in the bumper. But then we will put them back in the bumper and then put the bumper on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect them real quick, make sure that they still work. Okay. That one works. And that one works. Perfect. You do not want to do this, but make sure they both work. Okay. Let's take these back off, and then we'll put them in the bumper. Okay, we're gonna do right hand and left hand. So this would be the right hand side. Turned out really well. We got the lights and everything in there, so what we're going to do is plug it in, and then we'll start snapping the pieces back together. These pieces up here are kind of a pain in the butt, but hopefully they'll go in pretty easily without breaking anything. And then we'll have to put in these plastic pieces that go into here. But yeah, we will work on that now. Okay, we got most of the bumper on already. Couple little pieces that I'm not super happy with the way it's fit, and the bumper's not completely flush with the body in some places, but it's close enough. We're gonna finish putting these bolts in, and then we will put the taillights in as well. Okay, let's put the taillights on. Let's see, these go on. Goes like that. Alright guys, this is done. You can see there's a little bit of a gap on some of these body lines, but it all turned out pretty well for what I did with it. I think it's a pretty good looking car. So what we're going to do now is clean this up, and we may clean up the headlights real quick, and then we'll call it a day.